Welcome to the Crypto Hunter channel.
Hey everyone, Tim here. Got some updates for you for all GX token holders and for all community members, everyone that holds G1, GX. Got some big news. You've likely seen it. We've just launched a super staking program. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about how the token delivery will actually work and what's going to happen to the G1, GX exchange. So let's jump right in. Super staking, launched it yesterday. You've likely seen it. We already got a few thousand people participating and staking the token. Essentially, the super staking program allows you to stake the 8% of the GX tokens that are unlocking on March 12th for 30 days and get a massive reward. Basically, we're tripling it. For example, if you have 100,000 GX, then 8,000 of them would unlock on TGE March 12th. If you stake those 8,000 for 30 days, you will receive 24,000, 3x the GX token back, completely unlocked. Very important. So what we created, first of all, like any staking program, it obviously reduces sales pressure and impacts the token price positively. And then second, we wanted, and this is more important, reward you guys, the GX holders, because a lot of you have been holding the token for several months, some of you for over a year. And we wanted to find a way to reward you, but that is of value for the community at large. Okay. So that's the super staking. Second topic is the token delivery via a platform called, or protocol called Sablier. All the GX tokens obtained from community sale 1 or 2 will be delivered via that platform. Why Sablier? Well, it's a trusted protocol used by a lot of the top crypto projects. Basically, it delivers an NFT into your wallet, in this case, the Grindery wallet, and you'll be able to use that NFT to unlock and claim the tokens according to the vesting plan. Okay, so how will it work? You really don't have to do anything. The NFT is going to show up in your Grindery wallet, and it's planned and scheduled, if everything goes well, for the 5th, so about 10 days, well, a week before the actual TGE. And then once you have that, and once you get to the TGE, you'll be able to basically log in, do a transaction, and claim the GX. All right. Third topic, it's the G1 to GX exchange. Right now, you can still exchange G1 for GX like always. So G1 is on TON, and then you're placing a GX order, which will then get you the NFT on Sablier. Now, once the GX has been delivered with Sablier, we will likely pause the exchange until about a week or two after the TGE. Okay, so once that happens, we will adjust the exchange rate, likely change the vesting and lockup period, but this will take, again, about a week or two after. Now, this means right now is a super cool moment or a super good moment to earn. Why? Because there's a really short time between earning now and unlocking the tokens on the 12th. Okay, so after that, like we're moving to cyclic, epoch-based model where you're going to be able to every now and then exchange G1 to GX. Well, and that's it for today's update. Just again, quick recap. Super staking is live. Join now. Triple the GX that you are unlocking within 30 days. Number 2, look out, and you obviously get more notifications on the NFT via the Sablier protocol. And then, be aware, earn now, farm now, mint now, before we temporarily holding the G1 to GX exchange. Now, we're going to be sharing stuff pretty much every day. It's a lot of stuff happening, hardly getting any sleep. Super excited. Thanks for being around. And Tim, out.